Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the 2010 Chevy Camaro Limousine version, and this is a really cool car. I got it for some 300 rupees just on Amazon. And to unbox this car I'll be using this AK-CCP knife I ordered from Amazon.com. This is a very cool knife, and if at all you have any usage for this knife, I would really put the link in the description. Now let's get to unboxing. Now, few people would classify this car as a toy, but not so, because there are some details on this car that are just fantastic for the price. Now, initially getting the car in the hand, I really like to talk about the weight of the car. It feels really substantial and it feels that it's built out of good quality metal. Now the paint on the car is really good. It's a matte finish type of paint and has some gloss to it, and I would really tell Burago to not put that glittery paint on many of the cars that they do. Now straight away in the video I like to talk about the first thing that just impressed me in this car, and that would be the combination of the Gullwing doors and the scissor doors that opens up from here. It just looks fantastic, and we actually have these types of car in the United States of America. They use these type of cars for recreational purposes. Now talking about this car, this is a pullback action car, and that thing is mostly seen on toy cars. There are a few minute details on this car that is just impressive. And yes, let me tell you, this is a Transformers version of this car. They really project this car as the Bumblebee car. So look at the Transformer logo over here. Just looks amazing. This exposed supercharger on the front bonnet of the car looks fantastic too. And I'll talk about some functionalities of this particular thing in the later part of the video. Now talking about the front grille of the car, it's amazing. The details on such a cheap and 1/32 scale of car is just amazing. We have these perforated, or not perforated exactly, I would call it textured detail on this front grille. And even the lower grille, it has dual grille on the front. It's textured. We have another Transformers logo over here. And on the top we have some toyish like paint of the Bumblebee, if at all you are a fan of that guy. On both the sides of the rear part of the car we have this Chevrolet logo along with this performance written. Talking about the wheels of the car, it's very basic like you get on the pullback action toys. um, Both are placed on some metal axle, but still they have tried to copy the real rims of the car, and you don't get some details like the wider and narrower tires, wider tires at the back and narrower tires at the front. Both the tire size is same. Some basic details are present under the car. Now what I especially loved about this car was the rear diffuser. It looks so cool along with the twin exhausts painted in silver. And at the back also we have a Chevrolet logo, beautiful Chevrolet logo, along with performance written on the number plate. Now talking especially about the functionalities of the car, it's just amazing. This comes with 2 or 3 batteries installed, button cells. If you pull this, you will be able to turn on the lights of the car, and it's just fantastic the places where the lights are placed. Now there are 2 ways by which you can turn on the light, and that would be by pressing the front of the car and by opening any of the front 2 scissor doors. Now look at this. Isn't that fantastic? I'll show it to you again. Now let me tell you what are all the parts that light up. The front two headlights, and there is a light placed on the supercharger, and there are two lights inside the car, interior of the car, in these two seats, and they just look beautiful. And I did not talk about the tail lights on this car, they just look fantastic. I mean, the quality of the tail, if you would look at it from the back, it just looks fantastic. Doesn't look like a 300 rupees car. Now I'll turn on the lights again so you can check it out. Really, before that, let me open the Gullwing doors. Look at the tail lights. Don't they look fantastic? And also there is a, you press it this way and the light turns on. And look at the trans, and yes, this is a transformer shaped transparent glass that is there, and it lights up. It just looks fantastic. And even the placement of the front lights seems as if it is real. You would be able to see the yellow LED lights, and it just looks fantastic. Now, talking about the interior details, there's not much present, but still at a price of nearly just 300 rupees, they have tried to put in some details, and that would be few pedals. And even you would be, I would turn on the light first of all so that you can see it more clearly. There is this gear lever, and they have tried to put some very minute details, like you would be able to see here there are two plastic parts. That's the AC vents. Those are the AC vents of the car. Now in a car like this, you don't really expect a lot of details in the interior, but for a 300 rupees, you just can't expect much. Now let me open all the parts of the car to show you. The two scissor doors, the two Gullwing doors, and even the trunk opens, has some little space. I tried to put in the batteries of the car in the trunk, but that was not possible. And all of this is really solidly built. You would be able to see that the hinges on which the doors are placed, those are really thick pieces of metals. Really thick pieces of metals, and seems like it can take a beating and would not be broken very easily. Now, especially talking about the bonnet of the car, hood of the car, it's really tough to open, and I tried to open it once, but I chipped the paint off. But still, there are few details present in the front of the car. Not much, all painted in black. What really can you expect for 300 rupees? But especially this supercharger just looks fantastic, along with that transformer style LED light. All in all, I would say that for 300 rupees that I bought, I was really happy with this car. I am really happy with this car, and I'm really happy that it's in my collection. But unfortunately, the price has really increased for this type of item on Amazon or Flipkart. Now this really around retails for something around 8 to 900 rupees, but I suggest you put it in your wish list and wait for the car to go cheap. And that's all, guys. If you liked my assessment of the car, and if you like the video, then I would request you to put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And for the next part of the video, I am going to come with 5 1/32 scale die-cast cars. And those are some fantastic cars in their own spaces. So stick with me. Thank you very much.